This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jacqueline Coons. Incredible pool home with spacious lanai that is great for entertaining. When you enter, you will see an open floor plan with a large kitchen and dining room space overlooking a huge pool recently resurfaced and tiled. There is a long breakfast bar. New modern sinks in both baths along with glass tiles in tub and shower. Large master bedroom with 2 walk-in closets. Many detail touches include crown molding in every room. There is a 4-ton 2016 air conditioner and new sprinkler system on well, new variable pool pump, all newer wood cabinets in kitchen and both baths along with granite counter tops. Newer appliances including brand new BOSCH dishwasher. Roof less than 7 years new. 2017 water heater. Sub-electric panel updated 2019. Custom darkening shades for every window which were also replaced with hurricane standard along with sliders. Hurricane shutters are also included. Garage has 4th bedroom, office that can easily be changed back into a full 2-car garage. On almost 1/3 of an acre with 2 mango trees and no backyard neighbors. Excellent location and short walk to excellent local restaurants. Spacious